Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off sound effects in the Sims mobile application. To turn off sound effects on the Sims mobile app is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open your Sims mobile application on your mobile device. Once you are on your game, go ahead and click on the arrow button on the right corner where it shows your white panel, and this will open up the settings menu. Scroll down from your settings menu and make sure both of the music and sound effects are turned purple, which means off, and you will then be able to continue playing The Sims Mobile without sounds. So that is how you can easily turn off sound effects in The Sims Mobile game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.